This is video number 2, and as I said in the first video, the first 4 of them will focus on the contents of my bear pen, which is these short selling ideas. We begin with DENN Company, which in the very same spirit of Caterpillar is a beautiful channel pattern which extends back all the way through to the mid-1980s. And we tagged the top of that channel recently, and this could take time, but it could also be a tremendous drop from present price levels. It's a really pretty spectacular looking channel. There's the price gap, incidentally, at 369.69. Here is Denny's, home of the Grand Slam breakfast. We're beneath the broken symmetric triangle here, and as you can see, one after the other, just slowly carving out a series of lower highs. And the real victory would be if we can fail this ascending trend line. Here's Dine Brands Global, DIN, and in this instance, we've got a tag here of the horizontal 100.70 and slowly descending away from that. Next up is EHTH, EHTH. We've got 1, 2, and then 3 major reversal patterns, the most recent of which is very large. And we've got this gorgeous price gap here, which was filled very closely. Let's see, the low here, 78.03, the high here, 78. So yeah, just beautiful gap fill. I've been tumbling ever since. And of course, the failure here would be very big news, 49.19. EQT Corporation. This had a head and shoulders failure, and we're pushing right back up to the neckline. EHTH, which is sort of an eBay for the crafty set. We've got a price gap here at 181.51 and another very pretty head and shoulders pattern. Flowserve, FLS, very nice symmetric triangle. Price gap here. And we got a little bit of a violation of that. I'm going to leave that line where it is for now. We'll see what happens next, but we're pretty much at the apex of that triangle. Greenbrier, GBX, this one. Here's the lifetime high, lower high here. Halliburton, HAL, another very handsome head and shoulders pattern and a very large one too. Going back a dozen years. $25 is the neckline in this chart. Rather unusual in its lengthiness, about half a century of data on this one. And the last of this group, Helmerich & Payne, HP is the symbol. And we've got a right triangle pattern here, and the base of that triangle is at 33.98.